Hi, good morning. I know this looks like AI behind me, but it's not. This is the view out my bedroom window. I will step back in a minute, but I just wanted to say good morning. But this is what I woke up to this morning. I'm working on candles, and I am letting them dry. I'm gonna go back to bed for a little bit and take a nap. But here's the view from my window right now in my bedroom. It is absolutely beautiful. And I'm gonna step back just a little bit so you can see that this is definitely not AI, because it is amazing. And this is the complete view. But anyways, I'm getting ready to take a nap. I will post this soon. Peace. Absolutely beautiful.